Wow. Dino Melaye has tweeted saying, loaded thugs left government house Lokoja, now on their way to my house in Ayetoro, Gbede. Their mission is to go destroy the house. His life could be in danger. See the decision taken by thugs against Senator Dino Melaye. Senator Dino Melaye's life could be in danger with his latest tweet suggesting thugs are on their way to his house at Ayetoro, Gbede to destroy the house. The senator also hinted the thugs have just left the government's house at Abuja and that they are on their way to his house. From what he's saying, his life could be in danger if these thugs meet him at home when they arrive there. His properties are also at risk because they could destroy them. Thugs are becoming a nuisance in the society even since the End SARS protests began and are using the opportunity to steal and cause violence in the society. They have already broken into several government warehouses in the country and made away with palliatives which were stored in the warehouse. Dino Melaye, a member of the 8th Nigerian National Assembly representing Kogi West Senatorial District, is also a strong member of the People's Democratic Party. In 2015, he defected to All Progressives Congress (APC) but returned to PDP in the build-up to 2019 elections after months of political struggle with Kogi State Governor. From his latest tweet, we all need to pray that nothing should happen to him or his family or his properties. Please share this news with all your friends and endeavor to stay indoors. Okay, if you live around Ayetoro. Well, Dino Melaye, so you are happy about all these items that are meant to be shared to the people. Government went and stored them in warehouses, palliatives that are meant to be distributed to everybody about the COVID-19. You people went and hid them. God Almighty will judge all of you and he will inflict leprosy to you people and all your children. Okay? Oh my goodness. This cause is something else. Someone say don't mind him. I hope they destroy his house. All these politicians are the cause of poverty in the country. It's your turn, Yahoo Senator. So guys, do you think these people are being nice to Dino Melaye? Just like the writer said that they should be praying for him. Why are they going to be doing this? And he's accusing after leaving the government house, of course he didn't. I didn't think he said that it is the governor that sent them because these people are going everywhere. They are going everywhere. Well, self-inflicted wound continue flaunting your ill-gotten wealth. It only started. Please call this hotline in the absence of policeman. Okay, this one is being is being explained to the gallery. Okay, talks everywhere. Even with all the whatever the curfew that they've already called off, and people are still doing all of these things. Well, this is the time for them to. They say it was the protesters that were doing it, that were causing it. Now that the people are not protesting, now let them go and fish them out, because it's to me it is really embarrassing for the government to be saying, "Oh, hoodlums have hijacked something. They have hijacked this. They have hijacked that." What are you waiting for? What are you not doing? What is your work? What is your whatever? Of course, that you know that Nigerians do not like all these politicians. Judging from the way they live large, they live so large. Someone is asking Dino Melaye, are you sure they are not palliatives grabbers? Verify and get back to us immediately. Okay, when you earn hardship allowance and you post your garage with fleet of cars and motorbike while millions of Kogi people live in abject poverty, don't you think it's better to leave the house for them? Let them take their hardship allowance to save your life first. Have it in mind that not everyone will suffer. Some will be rich and some will be poor. We all see what Dino went through when he was there in the National Assembly, and you know how they wanted to kill him by all means, but they failed. It's not his fault to be a rich man. That's what someone is saying here. Well, we all see what Dino went through. You self organize your own talk to counter them when they show. I think that is the best thing to do now. The only way out, because the police won't come to your aid for sure. Better still evacuate your valuables now. You are lucky you got information of their imminent attack. Stay safe, sir. Dino is no longer a government official. He has been removed from Senate by the Buhari government for breaking up or for speaking up. So I call on hashtag answers and whatever to give him protection. Give him maximum protection. Call the government, the governor to order now. You should call the governor to order. Okay, is Tinubu a public office holder? Injustice to one is injustice to all. When you turn a blind eye to another fellow suffering injustice, you never know when it will get to your turn. So make we help you fight them or what? So we should leave Twitter and go to your house and protect your property. Some people are wicked anyway. That they should leave it. And someone is even advising that he should organize his own talks. Help me ask him more, because I don't even understand why he's telling us on Twitter. Why are you telling us? So we should go and stop or attack them on your behalf. You are one of the beneficiary of the corrupt system that led to the initial protest. Then this avoidable looting. Stop the jealousy, bro. Pay make you rich and passing level, baba. Who you dey tell? Make we go help you fight. You no know your police station abi government house, you still fit go table am for una meeting. I wonder why im dey tell us o. My goodness. Hell, Nigeria. Nigeria. Please, enough is enough, my people. A better Nigeria we need. Stop the losing. I will mentor for three any youth interested in agri-businesses to start a journey of wealth creation in agriculture. Just follow me and hit my inbox with your details. Okay, Dino Milai already know that the former senator, Nigeria already know that the former senator Milai and the governor of his state, Yaya Bello, are not in good terms. The revelation by Dino Melaye today suggests that Yaya Bello has sponsored his talks to take advantage of the situation to hurt him by destroying his house. Who knows? Nobody can really confirm that. If the alarm raised by Dino Melaye is true, then I think the situation has really gotten out of hand, and everyone who is found culpable should be arrested and prosecuted as such. Well, what do you think about this whole thing? The country don't catch fire. The country don't really catch fire, honestly. So guys, leave your comment below and let's have your take on this. Thank you.